Capacity management is an essential component of any organization's strategy because it has a direct impact on efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall profitability. In simple terms, it means having the right resources in the right place at the right time to meet the operational needs. In this video, I have discussed the fundamentals of capacity management with examples. In the business world, capacity refers to the maximum amount of work that a system, department, or organization can handle efficiently. Capacity management seeks to strike a balance between meeting current demand and planning for future needs while avoiding inefficiencies. Let us talk about the significance of capacity management. An organization can make the most of its resources by effectively managing capacity, reducing waste, and increasing productivity. Capacity management ensures that customers are not subjected to delays or missed opportunities, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Avoiding underutilized resources and excess capacity aids in cost control, which is important for profitability. Having the right capacity in place for your organization can help prevent disruptions and maintain business continuity. Let's talk about the process of capacity management. Capacity management involves a series of steps to ensure that resources match demand. Here's a simplified explanation of the procedures. Understanding current and future demand for your products or services is the first step in capacity management. This could include looking at historical data, market trends, and customer feedback. Determine the resources needed to meet the projected demand. Human resources, equipment, facilities, and technology are all included. Make a plan outlining how you will meet the demand. This could include hiring new employees, purchasing new equipment, expanding facilities, or optimizing existing processes. Implement your capacity plan. This could involve the hiring and training of new employees, the purchase of new equipment, or the modification of existing operations. Make sure your demand and capacity are always in balance by keeping an eye on them. Be ready to modify your plan as needed, such as by scaling up or down in response to changes in demand. Acquisition of new machinery, modification of current processes, and hiring and training of personnel. Let us discuss about the common challenges in capacity management. Overcapacity. This occurs when an organization invests in more resources than necessary, leading to wasted resources and increased cost. Undercapacity. Inadequate resources can result in unmet customer demand, delayed deliveries, and lost revenue. Balancing act. Striking the right balance between capacity and demand can be challenging, especially in industries with seasonal or rapidly changing market conditions. Data accuracy. Capacity management relies on accurate data for forecasting and planning. Inaccurate data can lead to misjudgments and ineffective strategies. Scalability. Ensuring that capacity can be easily adjusted to accommodate changes in demand is important for long-term success. Let's explore capacity management with a real-world example. Restaurant seating capacity. Imagine you own a restaurant. To effectively manage capacity, you must consider demand forecasting, meaning analyze historical data to determine when your restaurant is busiest, like weekends or holidays. Resource assessment. Evaluate your seating area, kitchen, and staff. How many tables can you accommodate? How many cooks and servers do you need? Capacity planning. Based on demand forecast, plan for extra staff during peak hours. Ensure the kitchen can handle higher volumes and optimize every turnover. Implementation. Hire additional staff, reconfigure the seating layout, and expand your kitchen facilities if needed. Monitoring and adjustment. Keep track of customer bookings and walk-ins and adjust your strategy as needed. If you consistently have empty tables, you may need to reduce your staffing during slower periods. Capacity management is a vital part of running a successful and efficient business. It involves understanding your demand, assessing your resources, and planning for the optimal balance. Following these principles can help you improve customer satisfaction, cut cost, and strengthen your organization's adaptability in a volatile business environment. Keep in mind that effective capacity management is a continuous process that requires ongoing monitoring and adjustment in order to remain competitive and grow in the market. Thanks for watching.